To delete or remove the header in WordPress, you typically have to either hide it using custom CSS or modify the theme files directly. Here's how to remove or modify the header in WordPress. Remove header using custom CSS. If you want to hide the header without modifying theme files, log into WordPress. Go to your WordPress admin dashboard. Navigate to Customize. From the left sidebar, go to Appearance, Customize. Add custom CSS. In the customizer, select additional CSS and add the following CSS code. Publish. Click Publish to save your changes. This will hide the entire header from your site. Remove header by editing theme files. If you want to completely remove the header, follow these steps. Go to Theme Editor. In your WordPress dashboard, navigate to Appearance, Theme Editor. Find header.php. In the theme files, locate header.php and click to edit it. Remove header code. Delete or comment out the code that defines the header section. Save changes. After modifying the code, click Update File to save the changes. Modify theme settings. Some themes have a built-in option to disable the header. Go to Theme Settings. Under Appearance, Customize, look for an option related to header settings. Disable header. If available, disable or modify the header section.